It's a 2006 Subaru Forester. Little Subaru. So this dude wants me to change these struts on him. I'm not sure where he got these from. And then these are the rears. Things first, jack up the car, rip off the tires. Once you get the wheel off, it's freaking easily accessible. Right here, there's 2 bolts. Bam, bam. You get these 2 bolts out, the clip off. That way the brake line is free from the shock. Okay, it has this little nipple right here on the end. You just pop that up, and then on the other side, right there, you pop that nipple up, and then this whole clip slides back towards me. So I'll show you on this one. Just basically slides straight up. That. It's just this little U-clip, whatever it is, slides straight down like that. And then you can just push that out. It's clearing the holes. Now we need to go up here. You gotta get one of these. Then get up on in here. There's a little screw right down in that hole. This screw out right here, it's kind of actually hard to pull out of that hole. So once it's all the way loose, then this whole piece all the way up around the door comes off. What I did is just basically open that door, got over there, and I manhandled this end, just pulled it over this little bar here, and then right here this little thing pops out, and then I just got a screwdriver, shoved it up in there, popped it up. And right here underneath this foam, it's 3 bolts. Strut out. Here's a new one. Here's the old one. You got to take this spring off and shove it on that spring. Strut spring compressors. And then you just slap one on each side, rail them down. The shock's free now. All I have to do, pop this nut off here. So what I had to do for this one, I had to lift up this boot right here and grab it real tight with a pair of vice grips. These bad boys. Right on the shaft, on the shock shaft. That way it didn't spin. Because every time I tried to pop this nut off, it would just spin the whole shaft. There isn't an Allen head. There is an Allen head right there, but I wasn't able to put the Allen and the wrench on it because it was in the hole down there. Alright, she's extended. So this one was nice and tight. I was able to impact it without having to hold anything. Just impacted that crap on. Then I'm about to release the spring real nice and slow. Alright, so there's your old greasy strut. Shove this bolt down here. Leave the nut off for now, just to get up there. So the torque on there is whatever your drill puts them down at. Seems good. Now just slap all this foam crap back, all that junk, and then just slap the plastic on, put the screw in it, be done. Changing that. Looking at this other truck right here, a little Chevy Colorado. So he's wondering why he's having wheel issues right here, because the tire moves up and down and side to side. The major thing is that upper bushing right there. Same crap on the other side. Pop the wheel off, pop those 2 bottom bolts out, take this plastic off, rip all these 3 bolts out, pop off the cover, and she's gone. So starting on the front, first thing, pull the wheel off. Wheel off, pop the hood, check out this weird little boxer motor, then get back to it. So there's 2 bolts down here, of course, same thing. 3 bolts up here. I believe these are 12 also, and these are probably 3/4 as well. ABS sensor cable comes off with a bolt. It's a 12mm. Also, the brake line is just a 12mm. No nut on the backside. So I'm gonna leave this bolt right here through there. I'm gonna pull off these top ones. That way, when this one falls, it's not gonna whack this line, brake line, or anything like that, so I can take it out of here. Alright, so got this last wheel on, or about to get the last wheel on, just slapping the last strut in. Look who showed up, everybody. Yeah, visiting hours at work. Just slapping this. Right, that's all of it. Struts in. All four in. Just gotta put the tire on, set her down. It's good to go.